Okay guys, here's the issue with my Marshall MG30CFX. It does not matter much, but I'm trying it in my Squire Strat Affinity, and it's plugged on 220, 230. It is a 220 amp, 70 watts. And what else? Not much else. Let me just show the issue. It is the FX knob that is not working right. I noticed a dead zone here like this, and I can crank it up, and when I get to the octave position, what I get is maybe one of the last positions of the delay, but still the strong delay instead of the octave. And I feel like I should have ways to compensate this. It is imprinting less resistance than it should, so the PCB could read the value. It activates the octave effect. So let me try to pull it closer, so maybe it's easier to see now the knob position. And let's turn it on. Okay, let's turn it off and then plug the outlet in and then turn it on. There she is. Okay, you see the tap tempo flying, and I am in manual mode, so to be sure it is obeying the position of the knobs, I will put this at 9, and I will play a string, bassy one, and let's see how the effects behave. Alright. The chorus kicked in, kicked out, kicked in, kicked in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. So I have this dead zone, roughly, which is considerably. And let's go to the end. Okay, so here I should get some delay according to this tap tempo. Let me muffle. Okay, and I'm getting more strong delay. Right, and now I am going to crank to the remaining lot, which was nothing. So now it should be the octave. No, it's still delayed. So let's just a little. I watched a video of demonstration of the features of the Marshall, and there's no bump here like to click into the octave. It's just you touch the end of the treble and it should be the octave effect, and it simply does not take it. Again, I'm plugging it now into 220 volts, so it should be behaving correctly. Before that, I also turned it in 120, and I used it as normal. It's just half power, and the same bias is on the pot. The same dead zone is in it. So it may be something else, and it could be something from turning it in 120, 110, 127. Okay, so there's something to it. Something else is that, is it chorus? It seems now it's phaser, right? I think this is the last chord. This is chorus, still chorus, switch it to phaser. So it's also a little shifted up. Now let's check the limit between phaser and flanger. Okay. It is very close to the middle, and it switched to the slow flanger. So here it is forward, and here a little forward, and then here it is centered. Let's get still flanger. Oops. Delay. So it is a little behind. It is a mute delay now because it's on the minimum. So it's a little before 3 hours, and yet it does not get as down as to the octave, and I don't feel there's more hidden treble here, so I guess it needs some hands in its board to see what the problem is, and maybe adjust the values the pot provides to the board. Who knows, there could be some trim pot there I could trim and adjust this. It would be just simply great if I could adjust a trim pot to fix this, but I'm not sure there is one, and I might just live with that for a while, or maybe consider taking it to some tech, or take myself the challenge and try and fix it. But that's it all about our issue on the FX knob. That's it.